Most are knowing a copy of OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another video from Nomad Funnelhacker. So we're back in the full moon dance workspace, which I'm basically using as a sandbox, a little ClickFunnels playground for myself. And so there's not that much here right now. In fact, if we look at our apps on the right-hand side, we can see only a couple been added. And as I'm adding things here, I'm going ahead and making videos of the process. One of the things that has happened in the past year is school has become really big and community-based groups are getting bigger. And ClickFunnels has added a community app to give some that school community type functionality to ClickFunnels. I know that Go High Level has also done something similar, but I don't have a Go High Level account, so I really can't speak any further on that other than to say that I've heard they have something. We are going to go ahead and look at the membership. And in this video, we're going to be looking on just getting it installed into our ClickFunnels account. We're going to go to our apps. And in our apps, we're going to look for Community. And that's it right there. So we'll just click on that. It gives us a little description of what it is. Got a little video from Todd Dickerson and tells us what it can do. But we're just going to go ahead and click on Add App. When we get this panel here, we're going to name the community. So we're going to just change that name to Full Moon Dance. We'll call it Caravan. We got a couple of choices here, which will be about access later on as well. We can require post approvals. We can require calling approvals, hide the member count, send a membership email, and we can also send a digest email, which would be a daily email of any notifications that come in the community. We're just going to go ahead for right now and leave it at the default settings. So we're just changing the name of the community for right now. And then we'll click on Create Community. And this is what you will start off with. They have already set up two groups in here, one getting started and one is a course group. They've made the access open for both right now. And you can also see your count. You can edit the group, you can view the group, or you can delete the group. And then click here, you can add a new group. Now you have a access button for the moderation. If you are a moderator or the owner, we have our community settings, and we can also view the community, which will give us a preview of what it looks like. Now over here, we've got the name. We've got the status, which is set to private right now. We also have right here a link that we can copy or click on, which will take us to our community. That's going to do the same thing as view community. So if we click on this, we see our community. Now understand that here we are looking at it in our account. So we're seeing this as the administrator because we are in the workspace that we are administrator for. If you want to see what your members are going to see, you're going to need to go ahead and use a incognito window and probably create some kind of contact, an avatar that you can add to the community. Since I haven't done much in this workspace, I probably don't have one of those right now, but I'm not going to even worry about that now. Right now, we're just trying to get the community set up and familiarize ourselves with what it looks like before we start changing things. We can get out of here, and then if we click here on View Community, you see it's the same thing. Once we're in that, we can open up our groups, and then within the groups, we'll have topics that we can have. And so we can delete these topics or we can add new topics. And then if we go into a topic like Start Here, we can add a post under that topic. Now, if we go to our settings here, it's going to take us back to where we were at first, and we can make any changes. Right now, we're in draft mode, so nobody can actually see the community because we don't have it live yet. All these other settings are basically what we had at the front. We do have one here. I don't remember if we saw it on the other panel about making the community private. Here's our post approval, comments approvals, member count, membership email, digest email. So anytime you want to change anything, you just come here and you can change the status of things. You want to go back, just click on communities, and we're back to our main panel here. At this point, you can either start adding people to your community, or you can start adding content to your community. Now let's look at this course group right here. We don't have any courses, and we don't have any topics yet. They just set that up here so that if we do have courses, then we have someplace to put them. And then we always can add a new group. So I'm going to end this video right here. This was just to show you how to get the app installed and what to expect once you see the app, and kind of be able to navigate your way around the different settings. In future videos, we'll dig a little deeper into the ClickFunnels community feature. So that's going to be the video for now. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, because we're all rearranging deck chairs in the RMS algorithm. Other than that, my name is Tim Willis, and I will see you in the next video.